The guide plate is attached to your chainsaw's housing, just ahead of the sprocket. The plate covers the plastic housing in the area where the cutting chain passes. It prevents a loose cutting chain from cutting into the plastic housing. It also secures the bar oiler tubing in place. If the saw is often run with a loose chain, the plate will eventually wear through. Replacing the guide plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brake cover from the saw. The cover is secured with 2 nuts. I'll loosen the nuts and also loosen the chain tension. Then I'll remove the nuts and the brake cover. I'll go ahead and remove the bar and chain as well, just to get them out of the way. Now I have access to the guide plate, and it's secured with a single screw. I'll go ahead and remove it and install the new guide plate. And I'll secure it with the screw. I'll finish up by reinstalling the bar and chain. And that's all it takes to replace the guide plate on your chainsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.